Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from blanddelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto cauliflower wings. Who needs chicken wings when we've got cauliflower wings, huh? If you're a cauli fan like me, then you're going to love these buffalo tender, baked to perfection pieces of cauliflower. And it all starts by preheating the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Line a large baking pan with parchment paper and place a rack on top. Core the cauliflower and break it into large florets. In a large bowl, beat the eggs with oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. Add the cauliflower into the bowl with the beaten eggs and toss very well until all pieces are coated. Mix with your clean hands. The pieces of cauliflower should be very well coated. In a large Ziploc bag, combine the almond flour, Parmesan cheese and seasonings. Transfer the egg-coated cauliflower to the Ziploc bag. Seal and mix through the bag until the mixture is evenly distributed and nicely coats the florets. Spread the cauliflower florets onto the prepared pan, leaving some space in between the pieces. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender and slightly browned. Meanwhile, to make the buffalo sauce, melt the butter and combine it with the hot sauce. Once the cauliflower is done, carefully remove from the oven. Use a basting brush to evenly coat the pieces with the buffalo sauce. Return to the oven and bake for about 5 more minutes. Oh my, what a great flavor! I could trade the chicken wings for this anytime. They're also keto friendly, so more reason to make them, foodies. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blanddelish.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!